and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to see your portfolio on Cowrywise app. Now this is the Cowrywise mobile app. The first thing you need to do is log into Cowrywise, and then in the first page, that is the home page, you will see portfolio right there. If you have a portfolio here, you get to see the growth, the earnings on your portfolio, the breakdown of the investment, savings, and the stash. Then you can tap on growth to see the growth frequency. As you can see, I haven't invested anything. If you had, you will see the growth and the profit percent gained in 1 month. To show you the down here, you can see the date, duration, your sum, and everything. So if you want to hide it, just simply click on that. So for the earnings, same thing. You click on this, you wait to see your earnings from the previous year to the present year. You see your savings, your naira funds, your stocks also, and everything, and the returns you got from it. Then once to the breakdown, this is the breakdown basically. So that's how to see your portfolio on Cowrywise app.